So let's start the video. And there's cotton candy, purple cotton candy, chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and strawberry. And there's also cones if you want a cone. So if you want a cone, you can have a cone. Or if you want a plate, you can have a plate. You can have one plate. And then what do you want? I want vanilla. Okay. Coming up. How many scoops? 2, please. Okay. 2. Okay. Here you go. Do this thing. Okay, let's get all of those. It's okay if you're dropping it. Just be careful. And then now we can have this. Okay, you are getting a mess, but it's okay. Okay, let's get another scoop. All good. Okay. One more scoop. Okay. Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, she's all done.
So where did the food go?
In her tummy.
And then it comes out? Can you show us?
Yeah. So she has like a little diaper that's attached to her. I'll show you like that. And it opens if you like push this.
Let me see.
Full
Whoa,
diaper of vanilla.
cool.
Vanilla ice cream.
That's so clean. It just came out so nicely.
Yep.
Perfect.
She pooped very quick.
Wow.
But it seems like this is not enough.
Then maybe you have to use the stick and see if you push more down. Or here you can use this. Push that in her mouth to see if you can push more down.
Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, in her mouth.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. The Gemma Sky Show.
Yep, guys.
Making live videos of Baby Doll and Barbie play on the daily. Super exciting.